Here we go. As no surprise, so the deposit rate is left unchanged at negative 40 basis points. Although a lot of economists say that if you really want to help the banking sector, you got to raise the deposit rate so it's not negative. That's kind of what everyone's saying there.
But the ECB's announced a new series of targeted longer-term loans,
which is faster than expected by far. Yeah.
Yes, exactly right. They've announced they're going to come out with them.
And they see, oh, that's interesting. And they pushed back their rate hike expectations as well. They did change their guidance, sees rates on hold at least through 2019.
So there were a couple of things people thought they might do. It looks like they're doing both of them. We're going to have new loans. And by the way, forget that through the summer. It's going to go past the summer. It's going to go all the way through 2019.
Which is really interesting because if you wanted to, they're going to start the 2-year long-term loans actually in September, and the banks can borrow up to 30% of stock of eligible loans. I'm really surprised because the markets did not expect the specifics to come out today. They expected maybe in June, or excuse me, maybe the next meeting we'd hear that.
So at the very top of the program, you said, can Mario Draghi be dovish enough? Maybe he can.
He did.
You know what? That's what it looks like right now.
And you can see, sir, what's happening in the markets. You have euro dollar dropping like a stone, down 0.3%. Well, we break out of that range at the 112 level that's held at the bottom. And no surprise, you're seeing a big rally in the bond market. Yeah, sure. You have yields over in Germany down another 2 basis points, sitting on that 10 basis point level. Maybe we haven't seen the bottom now for German 10-year yields.
Okay, joining us now outside the ECB headquarters in Frankfurt is Bloomberg's Matt Miller. Matt, boy, this is pretty dovish, isn't it?
Yeah, I have to say I'm very surprised. You know, Alex is right. We didn't expect really detail on TLTROs or even confirmation of those long-term loans until the April meeting at the earliest. So we do know Janet Randau and Carolyn Look, our colleagues from Bloomberg News, yesterday broke the story that the ECB saw staff presentations trying to justify TLTROs in some way, and we expect to get lowered growth and inflation forecasts in the press conference in about 45 minutes time. But I think it's very surprising, David, number one, to get they move back that through the summer to next year for leaving rates on hold, and number two, you get this TLTRO announcement. As you say, you know, you really see the reaction in markets. The euro has been stuck in a range trading in 113 and hasn't gone down to 112 since Valentine's Day. So this is the first time we've seen in almost a month the euro fall back down through the 113 level. And bunds, I mean, 10 basis points certainly isn't the bottom. We're hearing a lot of economists say that bunds could go negative. Again, watch for that.